they were quick. I got quick responses. I didn't have to keep waiting around. I didn't have to haggle much, and I got the service that I required in my preferred time and date. The work was fairly great. One thing that I did notice is that the team was friendly. I liked the fact that they didn't have a lot of back and forth in terms of calls that I had to make to them. Also, the fact that when they came in for cleaning, I really didn't have to be here to make sure that they're doing it the right way. I came in, I gave the key, I spoke to them, I kind of told them what my problem areas are, and they did the work. They did call me and let me know when they were about to finish, so I could come in and take a look, make sure that everything is to my liking. So that was something that I really loved, and this is something that I also noticed because I've done cleaning with other providers before, and I really didn't have such a seamless experience that I had with Clean Fanatics. They saved a lot of time for me where I didn't have to step away from work and be here to supervise. So that was one of the best things that I could have had during a work day to get this clean. Yes, absolutely. I actually already have. For most of the people that are even moving into our apartment, one of the contacts that I actually gave was for Clean Fanatics. Not only for our individual apartment cleaning, but we are also looking at it from more of all of the common areas and all of that, if we could bring them on as a vendor. So this is also something that I did kind of talk to my RWA about. The fact that I got transparent pricing, I got transparent communication right from day one. There was no comparison that was being done. And at the end of the day, I did kind of take a look at the reviews and all of that, and they were all positive. So that was something that gave me the confidence to be able to choose Clean Fanatics.